Guys, this room tips. Today I show you how to make a 100% stacked column chart in Google Sheets. Okay, and first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your project. And subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. Okay, let's go and category and amount, click on car and press shift and click on this and select all category and select all amount. Okay, and click on insert and click on chart, search chart type, right corner and click on this, scroll down and search column and select 100% stacked column chart. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me. Or click on customize and settings your chart. And bye bye.